Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make voiceover video for YouTube. So if you want to upload your video on YouTube using voiceover, create video with voiceover and upload it for YouTube is very easy to do. All you have to do now, you can open your video editor. For editing video, I primarily use CapCut. And now you can open your project or video that you want to add voiceover. Here, for example, and you want to add voiceover is very easy. So you can try to use a sounds or audio. Sorry, here this on the in the toolbar. Tap on audio and find the record. Here you can press and hold to record your voice. Even you can use enhanced voice and audio effects. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.